Unity Homes. We're here today at a Xyla in Rhode Island, and from the outside you can see this is our 28 by 36 size Xyla with a front 6 by 12 gable addition, the 12 by 16 front porch, and a 24 by 24 garage. We went with the combination siding of vertical board and batten on the top and horizontal lap board with some black windows and black sills. So let's go inside and take a look. Here we are in the connector of a Xyla. It's a 12 by 16 connector option, where essentially half of that space is dedicated to traffic flow, and you'll have your choice of program for the two space needs on the other half. Here we've located some of the mechanical space, specifically hot water and water treatment. Fits nicely in that closet. On the other half of this is a coat closet and laundry with a door to the outside, so you can get to the backyard from this room. And then it opens right up to the vaulted space that is the kitchen, living, and dining area. So let's go there next. All of the Unity plans have a really nice open living, kitchen, dining area. In this case, it is the vaulted option of the 28 by 36 Xyla. And you can see the nice vaulted space with the ridge running in between the kitchen and living area. And over here, the 6 by 12 bump is used for a nice dining nook. So the homeowners here chose a 12 by 16 covered porch. They opted not to screen it in. They've got a lovely view out here. So let's go check that out. You can see the 12 by 16 size is really great for dining option. If you're intending to put an outdoor dining, we definitely recommend the 12 by 16 size. We also offer a 12 by 12 size, which is an ideal for a small sitting area as well. Also wanted to point out here the color of the timber frame. They went with a whitewash of the Nordic timbers. A really nice option for looking for a lighter color to your timber frame. Coming down the hallway into the back half of the main volume of the Xyla, we have a bathroom, a closet, and 2 guest bedrooms. I wanted to show you an example of a window treatment that works well with our Logic windows. So here we have a shade that's integrated into the small frame of the window here. So it's inside the window, and you simply get to pull down to close the shade on this window. It has a little click that it makes at the bottom, and now you have near blackout shade for your triple pane European tilt turn window that doesn't infringe on the operation of that window. Pretty neat. This is an example of one of our bedroom suite layouts. If we come into the space, you can see we have the sleeping area on this side with some nice windows, and they chose an option where you walk through the primary bedroom's closet to get to the primary bathroom. So let's take a look at that. You've got options for hanging racks over here, and then you'll walk into the bathroom, which does have its own door. It has a full-size shower, option for single or double sink.
Thanks for joining us for this Xyla walkthrough. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get notified of our future videos.